In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video in Microsoft Sway. Whether you're giving a presentation or creating a digital storytelling piece, embedding a video can really enhance your Sway project. So, let's dive in and take it step by step to ensure you have a seamless experience. First, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. Once you're there, type out Microsoft Sway in the search bar. As soon as you hit enter, you'll be met with several results. What you're looking for is the official Microsoft Sway site, so click on the first link that you see or choose the one that reads sway.cloud.microsoft. Now, once you're on the Sway homepage, you have a couple of options. If you already have an account, you can simply click on Sign In. However, if you're new to this tool, you'll want to click Get Started. For those who already have a Microsoft 365 account, you may find yourself automatically signed in. If not, you'll need to click on Create One to set up an account. This process will guide you to provide an email address, create a password, and fill in some additional information to complete your registration. Before moving on to the next steps, make sure you have your video ready. If you haven't done so already, navigate to a site like YouTube, locate your video, and copy either the embed code or the URL. Having this on hand will make the process smoother as we incorporate a video into your Sway. Now that you're all set and signed into Sway, let's move forward. Open the Sway you wish to add a video to, or create a new one if you prefer. Look for the plus icon at the bottom of the card where you want to insert the video. This plus icon allows you to add new content to your Sway presentation. After clicking the plus icon, you'll see a series of options. Click on Media to refine your choices. Under the Media section, find and select Embed. This option is key for pasting in the video content from the web. Once you've selected the Embed option, it's time to put that information you prepared earlier to good use. Paste the embed code or URL that you copied from your video streaming service into the designated space in your storyline card, and there you have it. Your video is now seamlessly a part of your Sway presentation. Make sure to preview your Sway to ensure everything looks and functions as expected. With these steps, adding videos can be simple and effective, helping to enrich your presentations and storytelling efforts significantly. Happy creating, and remember to explore all the diverse functionalities that Sway has to offer for more engaging content.